Look at this PPF calculator. If we invest 1,50,000 per year for 15 years, then we'll have 40 lakhs 68,209 rupees after the maturity. So yeah, this is great, right? I wished I would have done this long before. Having kids is the most amazing thing, right? It's not only amazing in terms of being a complete family, but also it's very important and responsible part of your life. So today I'm going to talk about how can we make our kids rich. You can actually apply the same thing for making yourself rich also. But right now as a parent, I am thinking about this, how can we make our kids rich? Money saved is sometimes money earned, right? Here in this video, I'm going to share some of the very simple method that you can apply for saving money for your kids' future. I think the most important event for a kid is getting admission to university after school, or if you have a girl child, then her marriage is the most important expensive event for your parent. So these are the two most important events where we spend a lot of money. Sometimes we spend almost all our life savings, right? So we have to act fast, we have to act wise for our kids' future and for saving ourselves from a financial rundown during such an event. Again, I want to say that I'm not a financial advisor and this information can be used for educational and entertainment purpose only. So yeah, do your own research before investing in anything. I'm going to share 3 simple techniques that you can use for maximizing your profit. Okay, let's start with PPF. PPF is Public Provident Fund. I would say this is one of the most safest option to save money in PPF fund. It actually gives minimum 7% compound interest and the locking period is around 15 years. And in 15 years, if you think this calculator, we saw this calculator, right? So where if you save 1.5 lakhs per year for 15 years, then you will be actually withdrawing 40 lakhs after 15 years. So think about this, you need around 50 lakhs for such an event. You will definitely get a very big blow at the time if you would not have planned for this. Let's go back to this calculator again. So if we save 1.5 lakhs every year for 15 years, then we are investing around 22.5 lakhs and we can in fact withdraw around 40 lakhs. So our wealth gained is around 18 lakhs. Okay. So you might be thinking that, oh, what is a big deal putting 22 lakhs and getting almost like a double 100% gain in 15 lakhs is nothing. It's a very small amount. But you are not thinking about how much money you have put when you started. Okay, you are not putting the full 22 lakhs when you started. You are putting only 1.5 lakh every year for 15 lakhs. Yeah, so maybe 1 lakh is an affordable amount, okay, which will still give you 27 lakhs on maturity. So yeah, 1 lakh is around like 9,000 per month. Even not even 9,000 per month, it's around 8,000 per month. I think that is something that you can plan for. But I would say that if you are planning for your kids' future, then go ahead with this PPF plan. It is really awesome, the 100% safest option which will give you the maximum benefit that you will get by saving less. Okay, trust me, I have seen that when you are forced to do something, okay, and when you are locked in, when you cannot withdraw the money from an account, that is the best investment that you will be doing in your life. I have seen that whenever I have put money in an account where I can withdraw easily, then I tend to lose that money. So it is always better to invest or save money in an account from where you cannot withdraw the money from. So yeah, I would definitely encourage everyone to have a PPF account in the name of your kid, or maybe you can have it in your own name also and start saving some money for 15 years locking period. The most important thing about this PPF is you don't have to pay any tax when you withdraw this money. Let's say on maturity you withdraw even 1 crore from the PPF account, you don't even have to pay 1 single rupees for your tax. Okay, usually a lot of different funds, when you exit you still have to pay income tax, but PPF does not have any income tax. If you are working or not working, doesn't matter. PPF, you can still hold a PPF account in your name or in your child's name also. So this is something that you should consider. Okay, instead of having a saving account and keeping money in the saving account, I would encourage to have a PPF account and saving money in the PPF account, which of course you don't need for 15 years, something like that. Okay, now let's talk about another scheme, another fund called ELSS mutual funds. Okay, so what is this ELSS mutual fund? Yeah, so I will not go deep into this ELSS mutual fund, but you can say that this is a mutual fund which is used for tax saving purpose, and these have a lot more compound interest than the PPF. Okay, but there is a little risk involved in it, so that's why ELSS mutual funds are usually 3 years lock-in, instead of like in PPF we saw that 15 years lock-in, right? But in ELSS it's 3 years lock-in. They tend to give you more annualized interest than PPF. Yeah, I would say that it is little risky, but you still, I have seen in my experience that you will still earn more than PPF. And if you see this calculator, if you would have invested 1 lakh every year, okay, in ELSS for 15 years, then you would earn 39 lakhs. So this is definitely more than PPF. Okay, so the long-term capital gains on ELSS are tax exempt up to 1 lakh, and dividend received is tax free in the hands of investor. So this is also something that you can consider to diversify your investment. So sometimes you might in need of money before 15 years, then that kind of money, that kind of savings you should do with ELSS, because it is 3 years lock-in, not 15 years. So this is another thing that I like after PPF. EPF, because you are forced to do some investment with EPF, and you get almost the same amount from your employer also. So this is like almost, when you invest something, let's say when you invest like 1000 rupees, you are already getting 1000 rupees on top from your employer. So already 100% profit when you invest, which is awesome. And the next thing is you get around 7 to 8%. So I think 8% interest rates, compound interest again. This is awesome. This is great again. I mean, the beautiful thing about EPF is you can withdraw EPF after 5 years of continuous service. Yeah, no TDS, and such withdrawal is exempt from tax. Again, we want to save money and we want to save taxes on our income. Okay, so this is another beautiful scheme. This is a great investment tool for people who are in job, and they can withdraw the money after 5 years also, unlike PPF, which is for 15 years we cannot withdraw. So that's all for today, guys. Feel free to comment or ask me if you have any questions regarding this. But yeah, thanks for watching, and see you next time. Until then, bye, take care.